Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mr. Triandi Setiawan STMT, Mr. Faiz Hamzah STMT, Mr. Muhammad Miftahul Mundir STMT, Mr. Rafid Kabisono SSTMT. Thank you for being here today on the seminar proposal presentation. Even though we cannot meet face to face, I hope this presentation can still done well. It is such an honor for me to speak for every one of you to present of the topic of my final project proposal. My topic of final project is design and manufacture machine of 3-in-1 coconut charcoal briquettes printing machine, disc mill, mixer, and extruder. Before starting the presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Arif Sunyanto with my NRP is 0617040017 from Design and Manufacture Engineering. This presentation will contain three major discuss points. There are preliminary on chapter I that will explain you about background, research problem, and research delimitation. Literature review on chapter 2 will about Ulrich design process, and for the last research methodology on chapter 3, it's about manufacture flowchart. I will begin from the first chapter, the preliminary. The background of the machine starts from the Indonesia is an agricultural country. The majority of Indonesia's population works as farmers and breeders. One of the agricultural commodities is coconut. Coconut produces solid waste, namely coconut shell. If not used, coconut shells just become heaps and take up a lot of space to store them. Along with the times, the supply of fuel oil is decreasing over time, so alternative fuels are needed to save fuel supplies. One of the alternative fuels that have been circulating in the communities is briquettes. Briquettes are a source of energy derived from biomass, which can be used as an alternative energy substitute. Petroleum and other energy derived from fossils. Coconut shells is one of the raw materials for making briquettes. In general, the briquettes production process is carried out with three different machines: a crusher as disc mill, a mixing machine as mixer, and a printing machine as extruder. Therefore, this research makes an innovation to make the three machines into one machine, so that the production process is easier and more efficient. The design process will use the Ulrich method, starting from identifying machines requirements to concept selection. Then a technical drawing and planning of supporting components will be made. After that, the tools are assembled and tested. If the machines work successfully according to plan, a production cost analysis will be carried out. How to design and build the 3-in-1 coconut shell charcoal briquette printer machines. Second, how is the performance of the 3-in-1 coconut shell charcoal briquette printer machines? And the third, how much cost the entire design of 3-in-1 coconut shell charcoal briquettes printer machines? This is my research objective, which are: first, able to obtain a detailed engineering drawing of a 3-in-1 coconut shell charcoal briquette printing machine that can combine three machines process into one machine's unit. Now, second, able to get the performance of the 3-in-1 coconut shell charcoal briquette printing machines according to the research objectives. And the third, able to know the budget plan of the 3-in-1 coconut shell charcoal briquette printing machines. This is my research significance, which are: first, for writers as a means to increase knowledge and experience in the manufacturing process of a 3-in-1 coconut shell charcoal briquette printing machines, and for the institute as a reference material to increase the knowledge of other students is appropriate to design and manufacturing, and for readers as a new innovation that can be used as a scientific reference in the field of manufacturing technology development. And this is my research elimination, our choice made by researchers which should be mentioned. Its boundaries that set for the study. There are two delimitations that must be mentioned, which are: first, in making this machine, the welding strength is considered sufficient or has met the criteria. Calculation of welding strength is considered to meet the standards and criteria of welding. Second, the process of pouring the adhesive and water is done manually by the machine operator. It is the last point of the chapter 1. We can move at chapter 2 on the next slide. The second chapter we reach is literature review. This slide is explained about design process that I used to make flowchart in chapter 3. It's called ULCH model. The first step is written mission, which contains determination of purpose and activity objective. After the first step done, identification of needs is done to know about consumer needs. Since we know about consumer's needs, the next step is assign a specification. So we can obtain several concepts. We can choose which concept to satisfy consumer needs. After concept chosen, we need to refine the concept to exceed consumer expectation. For the last is product development is triggered to find out if consumer needs is fulfilled or not. Since the product is popular, we still need to do product development to attempt modify old products or even create new products to meet consumer demands and needs. With this, we come at the end of chapter 2. Move to chapter 3 under the title research method. This slide contains flowchart and its explanation, which I used to design final project. This flowchart is made based on ULCH model that I already explained at chapter 2. This first step begins with problem identification. After we find the problem, we should do to study literature by collecting various ways supporting data and information to strengthening the research. Since the problem is found, we need to prepare all the material that required to create the machine. After the preparation is all set, the design concept will made. Since the several concepts has made, we should select the best concept to suit on consumer demand. There are various criteria that needs to be mentioned, such as strength, size, function, cost, and ease of operation. After everything is all set, the selected concept is appear. Since we get the concept, we should analyze the frame, whether the frame is strong when the stress is applied or not. If the concept is not strong enough, we should refine the design by change the concept. If it's strong enough, the machine can be created. After the machine has created, we should do trial before it can launch to the company. If the machine did not work and as its function, we should refine the design and try again. And if it's worked according to its function, we can move further. Since the machine can work well, we can go to the last step, the conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion will include answer to the formulation of the problem and the achievement that have been achieved from the goal. This is the component of 3-in-1 coconut charcoal briquettes printing machine. This is an outline of the design concept. The mechanism of this machine is the charcoal raw material that has been burned is put into the hopper. Then, the charcoal will be hopped in the thick mill machine. Inside the machine, the charcoal will be crushed so that it becomes small. Once crushed, the ingredients will fall to the bottom into the mixer. In the mixer, the adhesive and water are added so that the ingredients are mixed. After mixing, the material will fall down and extracted using an extruder. At the end of the extruder is made into a small box shape so that the finished product has a symmetrical shape. After that, the briquettes are dried and can be used. It is all of my presentation about my final project within title the design and manufacture of 3-in-1 coconut charcoal briquettes printing machine. Thanks for the time that you gave. Is there any question that came on all of my dear lecturer after this presentation? Thank you.